Hello everyone, this is Frances and I'll be your tech savvy teacher here today to talk about Boom Learning. So I had some requests for an update and information, so I'm going to quickly go through a few things. The first request was on how to set picture passwords for younger students. So if you go into your classes and you scroll down to the class that you want to set a picture password for. So now at the top, it's going to show you that you have your students and you have the ability to set your password or to print your roster and QR code. So I go to print roster and QR codes. I select print roster with password or QR code. And then I click here where it says use picture passwords for this classroom. So when I click use picture passwords for this classroom, it will reset the password if there's already one set. Then you generate your new password, and as you see, it's going to come up with a little QR code in the top right corner, but it's also going to give you 3 pictures. So now when your student logs on, it's going to give them a choice of photos in order to log on to the website. The next question was in assigning work to multiple classes. So say you have an assignment you want to assign to several classes. You're going to go to Action, you're going to go to Assign, and then you're going to click all of the classes that you want it assigned to. Now, the one issue is you cannot assign it to individual students, but it gets assigned to the whole class. One of the solutions to that is if you have students on similar levels, you can create multiple classes if you had the paid version of Boom Learning and do your level 1, level 2, level 3 in different classrooms. So that way when you're assigning work to your classes, you could assign it based on their needs instead of assigning the same work to the whole class. So I hope these 2 tips and updates will help you. If you have any more questions on how to use Boom Learning or the different features of Boom Learning, please feel free to leave me a comment or reach out. Have a great day. Bye.